Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. As always, before we begin, please do like and subscribe. Really helps out the channel, so if you do want to support me, just drop a like down below on the video now. Taking a look at XRP here, and as we can see, looking like it's having a very nice little renaissance off the back of, as I said a few days ago, that Ripple news that the Hinman documents will not be sealed and they will be released to the public in the end. Those documents have obviously been pivotal to the Ripple case for a long time now, and it's going to probably reveal quite a lot of the ridiculous double standard nonsense that the SEC has been spewing for a good while. A lot of legal jargon right now trying to delay the release of those documents, but I think it's pretty clear that they are going to show quite a lot of damning information about the double standards in the SEC, about clarity surrounding cryptocurrencies and the regulations around them. Obviously very big win for Ripple if that's the case, and as a result everyone's had a nice little XRP here. You know, everyone's reacted, and the XRP's had a little pump here from around, you know, what is it, 42-43 cent level, back up through this key level here and into the previous area of a range. And as I said, since we came back inside this range now, I'd probably be predicting that we'd come down, back test, and then get a bounce. So I have got this long position here, which was sitting on that Fibonacci level, looking something like that. Basically, we came up into it, and then once I saw we came up here, back test, got into the long position, and now looking to take profits probably at the top of this little range here, because I do think that XRP is probably going to have a bit more joy over the next few weeks as a result. Obviously in the macro terms, right now we're still waiting for XRP to break out of a few different bear market resistances. You can see this overall bear market resistance has not been broken out of just yet, and obviously still yet to come back and make a new all-time high from the 2018 bull run. But right now XRP, I mean, it really is, even on a macro and a micro level, coiling up right now for something pretty big, I think. And with the SEC case, in my opinion, finishing, if not this year, then definitely next year, we're probably going to be looking at a very significant move to the upside for XRP if that's the case. If it's anything like back here, it could be an absolutely monstrous move to the upside. So that is it for today, guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, really helps out the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.